Hi, I'm Michel from StairDesigner. In this video, I'll show you the link parameter Newel post handrail. Here is a 3D view of a stair showing the Newel post and the handrail. The Newel post has been set in a transparent mode so that you can clearly see how the link between these two elements is working. On the right side is your property screen, which is showing the different parameters and allows you to change them individually or for the complete stair. The general rule is when there is no selection applied, the parameter setting will be effective on the complete stair. When selecting a single element, the property screen will change to individual setting. Let's have a look to the parameter Newel post handrail. In the property screen, you have the parameters that are assigned to your stair. One of them is called the links parameters. We open this one up. There you can find all the different link parameters for your stair. We are looking now at the Newel post handrail link parameter. When we open, we see here the first parameter to be set is a penetration. This moment it has been set on 0 mm. So in a 3D, you will see that there is no penetration from the handrail into the Newel post. Let's put a parameter, 30 mm. Here you can see now that your handrail is penetrating 30 mm inside your Newel post. By adding this penetration parameter, it has created 3 other parameters that can be set, so that you can create another specific connection with the Newel post. You have an upper recess, a lower recess, and a lateral recess. The upper recess will create a cutout in the top of your handrail. The lower recess will do the same on the bottom side. As also on the lateral side of your handrail, you can also create a recess. Let's put in some parameters. Let's say 15 mm upper recess, 15 mm lower recess, and 10 mm lateral recess. If you look at the 3D, you'll see now that you have made some tenon connection between the handrail and the Newel post. The same has been done on the other Newel post, because we were in a general parameter setting. There was no single selection applied. Let's now remove that connection from the first Newel post. When I select the Newel post, the property screen will change to the single changing method. I click on the links, the link with the handrail, and there I get again the parameters from the general setting. By removing these, I will now automatically remove the tenon connection on the first Newel, while all the other remains in the other Newel posts. Thank you for watching this video.